And then there are more advanced prompting frameworks. I'm going to quickly cover it. It's, temperature, system prompting, prompt chaining, and other prompting techniques. Temperature is nothing but degree of randomness. I will definitely have to show you this. So it's a simple question. I'm asking 4 plus 4 is what? And I'm saying use temperature as 0.1 and 0.9. Now, lesser temperature means the output is going to be very precise, deterministic, logical, fact driven. Things like coding and summarization can be done. And when the temperature is high, it's going to be very, very creative. Like when you're writing a blog or a post, that's when you give the prompt as I need the temperature as high. So for example, here the answer is 8. I'd answer more creatively. Well, if you have got 4 and add 4 more, then glorious symmetrical 8, two circles stacked in a perfect symmetry. Now that is how the temperature works. Wherein if you give it a higher temperature, it's gonna be as creative as it can, and the answer is gonna be very, very crazy. Now, system prompt is nothing but whatever we have done till now from any kind of framework perspective. You're predefining the role, craft framework, tree framework, and that TIFF framework or whatever it is. When you're predefining, I need the role as this, I need the output in so and so format, I need the tone in such a way in which you're predefining what you want the systems to do. That is system prompting. And the opposite is prompt chaining, wherein initially you're just saying like that one line saying, I need a presentation from a 10-year-old perspective on good behaviors. The output comes in. Then you're gonna give another prompt saying, think that you're a Santa Claus and give me an answer, or give me an answer as if the Santa Claus is doing a presentation. Then an output comes out. So these are the things that you can keep on changing as and when the output comes. You keep on giving more and more tweaks to the output so that the output will be correspondingly tweaked, essentially speaking. And this is going to be the last slide probably on the prompting. Zero prompting is you're giving it up to AI, saying you can think whatever you want and give me an output. Few shot is you are giving examples of or guiding AI onto what I want the output potentially to look like. That's the difference between zero shot and few shot. Comparative prompting is I want you to compare different options. So you can say, I want the output in such a way that both pros and cons are defined. Or you can say, is US being fair to India or not? So here you are actually pitting the ChatGPT to give you both the sides of the coin in the same prompt itself. So that is comparative prompting. And next comes guided exploration, in which it is a very long, very complicated prompt you are giving it, with which you can get any kind of output that you want. And if you want to learn any kind of thing, if you want to master any kind of topic, if you want to, let's say, do a comprehensive deep dive into learning how to learn French, or how to cook a perfect pasta, or how to be a travel agent, or how to start your own business, this is a prompt that you can do, in which this is called a guided exploration prompt. There is in ChatGPT there is a study and learn kind of deep learn or something like that, a learning thing that has been recently added. I want to learn how to cook a perfect pasta, and then it will create a syllabus, break it down into structure, and then it's going to follow this process. So this process is called guided exploration.